What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to install .NET Framework. For example, if you need 2.0, 3.0 or maybe 3.5 or some kind of version for a specific application, I'll show you a couple different ways how to do that. So first one, if we press on start and type features, and then we're going to see turn Windows features on and off. In control panel, just press on it. Then this window is going to appear. Wait until it's going to load everything. And then in here, you're going to see .NET Framework 3.5, and it includes 2.0 and 3.0. And I already have installed on my computer 4.8. So in this case, if you need older version, just put a check mark here and then press OK. And then once you get to this screen right here, we're just going to choose like Windows Update download file for you. You press that and it's just going to start downloading. Okay, once the process is complete, you'll see this message and then you can just press on close. And most likely it's going to ask you to restart your computer. And for some reason, if you can't find a version you're looking for, which you can do, you can open your internet browser and go to this website, and I'll leave a link in the description below. And in here, you can find all the supported versions. Right here, you can find 4.8, 4.72, an older version, and also if you press on this little caret, it's going to show you out of support versions. And as you can see right here, you can see release date and when the support was ended. And you can just download it from here and then run it on your computer. Let's say, for example, this one. Just press on it and then press on download .NET Framework. And that's it. It's gonna download, and then you can either run it from here or you can navigate to your download folder. I'm just gonna run it here, then press yes. And that's it. It's gonna extract and it's gonna give you an option to install, but I already have later versions, so if you have one, then you'll get this message that you have updated version already installed on your computer. And then right here you just have to press on continue and go through the installation process. And this is pretty much it. If this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.